Oh yeah, let's go take a look at that. Hey, welcome to Rusty Bow. I have some odd pieces of steel that I'm going to make an arrowhead out of today. And I'm probably going to tinker around with a couple other things. I'm going to try not to overcomplicate things too much. Although I am going to take the sawzall blade and see about welding that up and making maybe an arrowhead or something out of it. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, so the piece that I had together and I was welding together, it burned out right at the joint. So I'm going to just proceed making an arrowhead out of the, I think it's a piece of crowbar or tire iron or something. So going to go forward with that. That's too bad because the piece that I had to weld, I can't find it in there. But that, I got the sawzall blade to all weld together into a tiny billet, and I was going to put that into the arrowhead, but not going to happen now. We'll try something like that another time. So I'm just going to do a regular arrowhead. Okay, got the arrowhead sanded up and shaped, and I am going to clay it up and do a quench. Got it all clayed up, now I'm going to quench it. Okay, post quench, you can see the hammer on that. Now the question remains as to how it'll hold up to a test, which we will do in a bit. Okay, a quick rundown on the arrow. This is a bot shaft, but the head is mine, and it's got a Hammond, and hopefully it shoots well. Well, I don't know how this is going to shoot. It's not too heavy, but it's not exactly light. And it could break if it hits a board or something. I don't know. I gotta see what kind of arc I need. Every arrowhead's different. Okay, it dropped, but I was going easy on it. Let's go. Okay, so I gotta get a little more arc on this. So, 35 yards. Ah, much better. Let's go take a look at that. I'm not sure where this one is. It passed through the first stack. So hopefully it's just, yeah, right there. Right there. Okay, good. No big deal. Okay, let's see if I can repeat that. Get the arc up a little bit. Oh, hit a pellet. Let's go take a look at that. Alright, I see right where it is, and hopefully get held up from hitting the pallet board. Because, oh crap. Yeah, I can see the arrow. Let's see if I can, oh yeah, I gotta get some, pull that out of there. It took a pair of pliers to get it out of the pellet board, but point held up. Let's try it again. Oh, jeez. I think I got pellet board again. Yeah, there it is. Oh man, it's deep in too, so hopefully that's not stuck. Nope. Okay, we're good shape. Point held up, it's just muddy. So I must have skipped off a pellet board. Let's get the old haystack cleaning. Okay. Better. I like this arrowhead. I really don't want to break it. It's held up so far. Hopefully it continues to do so. I want to get in the stack, not the pellet boards. There we go. In the stack. Let's go take a look. Alright, so I know I hit in the front here. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Right there. Sweet. So that's the thing. I just have to have the proper arc for an arrow like this, an arrowhead like this, I should say. This is only a 55-pound bow. It's not my 90, but I don't know how the shaft. You know, a lot of times I use 90 or 100 or 110, and the shaft bends too much in flight. Okay. Low, but in the stack. Let's go take a look. Okay, I see it. It's right there. Oh. All right. And, yep, there we go. Okay, I'm across the road now at my friend Bill's 25-yard range, and I have a piece of galvanized steel over the target block down there, so I'm going to put this through it at some point, hopefully now. So let's see. Oh yeah, let's go take a look at that. All right, as you will notice, this target block has been hit a lot by Mitsubishi tips that I bought, Chinese arrows, but you can see this is a fresh kill right there. So I'm going to see if I can pull that out. Oh crap, there's a squirrel or something doesn't like me being here. There we go. and there's the head. So it survived a really nice cut there, but I think I'm going to stop shooting here because there's a squirrel or something here that probably got babies or something. I don't know. I hear it. It's not happy with me. Oh yeah, right there. So I think I'm done shooting at the target for now because there's like a nest right there. And yeah, if you could probably hear it. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave that squirrel alone, but the point held, the arrowhead passed all its tests. I'm pleased. So, all right, hope you enjoyed that. I know I did, and hope you're drier than I am, and hope you had a good week. I'll see you on the other side of this one. You stay well. Be good.